Hi everyone, welcome you all to my online class of e-commerce. In last video, we discussed about the social, ethical and political issues in e-commerce. In this video, we are going to discuss e-commerce security and encryption, under which we discuss what is security in e-commerce and dimensions in e-commerce security. So let's start. E-commerce security and encryption. In this, firstly we discuss e-commerce security. After that, we go to the encryption. So, e-commerce security refers to the principle which guides safe electronic transmission, allowing the buying and selling of goods and services through the internet, but with the protocol in place to provide safety for those involved. So, definition of e-commerce security is a set of protocol that safely guide e-commerce transactions. Stringent security requirements must be in a place to protect companies from threats like fraud, or they risk jeopardizing revenue and customer trust due to the inability to guarantee safe credit card processing. So, these are the dimensions of e commerce security: integrity, non denial, authenticity, confidentiality, privacy, availability. So, first we go through the integrity. We all have one common questions: whether we have received the same data that the sender has sent. Now, in the duty for integrity, for the correctness of the information that has been transmitted or received or displayed on a website over the internet. Integrity can ensure that information on the internet has not been uh, attained in any way by an unauthorized party. It maintains the consistency, accuracy, and the trustworthiness of the information over its entire life cycle. So go through the example of integrity. The most common threat will be would any unauthorized person will intercept and redirect payment into a different account, since e-commerce sites prefer online transfer mostly. Non-denial. Um, good business good business depends on both buyers and sellers. They must not deny any fact or rules once they accept that there should not be any repudiation. Non-denial confirms whether the information sent between the two parties was received or not. Mostly non-denial uses a digital signature for online transactions, because no one can deny the authenticity of their signature on a document. For example of the non-denial is when a merchant does not have enough proof of customers who have ordered with them during a credit card payment transactions, it will not be processed further to the merchant. So the third one is authenticity. An e-commerce site, both the customer and seller need to trust each other. They must remain as who they are in real. Both the seller and buyer must provide proof of their original identity so that the e-commerce transactions can happen securely. But then, even every e-commerce site uses authenticity as a tool to ensure the identity of the person over the internet. Example of authenticity is some users can use a fake email address to access any of the e-commerce services. So another one is confidentiality. Confidentiality refers to protecting information from being accessed by an unauthorized person on the internet. In other words, only the people who are authorized can give access to view or modify or use the sensitive data or of any customer or merchants. Example of confidentiality is e-commerce uses a username and password to log into their account. Let's consider this case for resetting the password where an e-commerce site sends a one-time password to their customer in email or a phone number if someone else reads it. So privacy, another one is privacy, uh, where confidentiality is a concern about the information present during communication. Privacy is a concern with personal details. In general, privacy is used to control the uses of information by the customers that they have given to the merchant. Example of privacy: if a hacker breaks into the e-commerce site, they can gain access to the customer's credit card details or any other customer information. This also violates information confidentiality and personal privacy. Last one is availability. Continuous availability of the data is the key to provide a better customer experience in e-commerce. The continuous availability of the e-commerce website increases online visibility, search engine ranking, and site traffic. Data which is present on the website must be secured and available 24 into 7 into 365 days for the customer without downtime. If it is not, it will be difficult to gain a competitive edge and survive in the digital world. Example of availability: an e-commerce website can be flooded with useless traffic that causes to shut down your site, making impossible for the user to access the site. Thank you everyone. In next video, we are going to discuss the rest part of the security and encryption in e-commerce. So under which we discuss about the secure threats in e-commerce security.